Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to edit autocorrect on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. On an iPhone, you can't directly edit the autocorrect dictionary, but you can manage how autocorrect behaves and add custom words to the dictionary. So here's how you can do it. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Step 2. Go ahead and scroll down and tap on General. Step 3. Find and tap on Keyboard. Step 4. Inside the keyboard settings, you'll see an option for auto correction. Toggle it on or off based on your preference. Step 5. If you frequently use a word that autocorrects to something else, you can add it to the text replacements list. This list allows you to create shortcuts for longer words or phrases. In the keyword settings, tap on text replacement, tap the plus button to add a new replacement. Enter the word you want to type in the phrase field and the shortcut in the shortcut field. Step 6. If you find that autocorrect is consistently making incorrect suggestions, you can reset the keyboard dictionary. To do this, go to Settings, then search for Keyboard Dictionary. Then tap on the Research results. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Tap on Reset. Confirm the action when prompted by tapping the Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Step 7. If you're using a third-party keyboard, the steps might vary in the keyboard settings. Check the settings for the specific third-party keyboard you are using. By managing autocorrection settings and adding custom words to the text replacements list, you can improve the autocorrect experience on your iPhone. Keep in mind that Apple's autocorrect algorithms are designed to learn from your typing behavior over time, so it should become more accurate as you use it. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.